OpenAI's new generative AI, Sora, stokes both excitement and ethical concerns. This text-to-video tool crafts high-quality synthetic videos from written prompts in seconds. While the capabilities seem to herald an AI creative revolution, experts worry Sora could also unleash an epidemic of deceptive media. In this video, we will have a clean discussion on Sora AI and what OpenAI has done to make it special. Oren Etzioni, founder of anti-disinformation nonprofit True Media, makes a compelling case for oversight before Sora's public release. He believes generative AI like Sora can empower society if developed responsibly. However, Etzioni fears uncontrolled tools like Sora risk becoming an Achilles heel for our democracy on the eve of the consequential 2024 election. The timing seems precarious for launching an AI system so ripe for exploitation by bad actors to spread misinformation and slander. We agree with Etzioni's concerns. Absent appropriate safeguards, Sora could land as early as November, hijacked to generate falsified videos interfering in the election. Currently, access relies entirely on OpenAI's discretion during its testing period. But once available publicly, malicious actors could easily manipulate convincing fake media using Sora to deceive voters. Allowing generative AI to scale without oversight, especially before a pivotal election, is a scenario we must avoid. I believe reasonable oversight measures are urgently needed for tools like Sora to prevent such harms and ensure generative AI fulfills its positive potential. Beyond potential election interference, Sora also jeopardizes creative professions and media authentication systems. Sora's ability to effortlessly generate high-quality videos threatens to displace human creatives in marketing, entertainment, and other visual media. Additionally, organizations like banks that rely on video verification need robust counter-AI measures to combat Sora-level synthesis. We must thoughtfully address these risks. However, we should weigh concerns against the transformative upsides of AI like Sora. These tools can democratize media creation, fueling participatory culture and personalized, choose-your-own-adventure storytelling tailored to individuals. For major studios, generative AI promises to increase output dramatically while reducing costs. In our view, Sora's capabilities point to an AI creative revolution that could empower society if developed responsibly. We should not stifle innovation out of fear, but collaborate to implement ethical guardrails. With proper oversight, generative AI can unlock unprecedented creative potential that outweighs the risks. Though challenges exist, we believe we can develop tools like Sora judiciously to promote empowerment over deception. In summary, we believe with careful governance, generative AI's benefits can outweigh the dangers. While it's reasonable to approach innovations like Sora with caution, the solution is not abolishing them, but collaborating across sectors to implement ethical guardrails. If stewarded judiciously, Sora and similar tools can empower society creatively and economically. But we must ensure human oversight keeps pace with technological progress to prevent deception and promote flourishing. Overall, generative AI merits open but vigilant development focused on securing its positive potential while mitigating harms. So what's your opinion? Let us know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.